how to enable 2FA on Fortnite on PlayStation 5. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to enable 2FA on Fortnite on PlayStation 5. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So to get started, you want to go on either a phone or computer and open up a web browser. And then you want to go and search for epicgames.com. Once you're here, you want to come to the top right corner and click on this sign in button. And now here you want to go ahead and sign into the Epic Games account that you're playing Fortnite on your PlayStation. If you've never made an Epic Games account before, you can click on the PlayStation logo here and you'll sign in using your PlayStation information. Once you've signed in, you'll be taken back to this page here and you just want to go ahead and click on your profile picture again and then click on account. Once you've made it to the account page, you then want to select password and security, and then you want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. And then this is where you can set up your 2FA. So you have three options to set up 2FA. You can either go and use an authenticator app like Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. You can go and set it up with your email or you can set it up with your phone. So that's how you can enable 2FA on Fortnite on PlayStation 5. And that's all for this video.